Understanding, to be the kingpin. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase in the English language, to be the kingpin. This expression is rich in imagery and history, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's explore what it means to be the kingpin, where this phrase comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. To be the kingpin means to be the most important or influential person in a group, organization, or field. The kingpin is someone who holds significant power or control over others. This term can be used in various contexts, from business and politics to informal social groups. It implies not just leadership, but a level of control and influence that is central to the operation or success of the group. The term kingpin originally comes from the world of bowling. In bowling, the kingpin is the front and most important pin, which players aim to knock down to achieve a strike. Over time, the term evolved in its usage to refer to a person of great importance or influence in any situation, not just in bowling. This shift in meaning shows how language evolves, taking concrete images and applying them metaphorically to more abstract concepts. 1. In business, in the tech industry, she's considered the kingpin, leading the most innovative projects. 2. In crime dramas, the detective spent years chasing the kingpin of the underground network. 3. In everyday conversation, among our group of friends, Jake is the kingpin when it comes to choosing our weekend activities. Using "to be the kingpin" in your speech or writing adds a layer of vivid imagery. It suggests not just leadership, but a pivotal role that the person plays in the context mentioned. When using this phrase, consider the connotations it brings with it: power, control, and centrality. It's a powerful phrase that should be used to highlight someone's significant influence or role within a specific domain. And there you have it, the ins and outs of the phrase, to be the kingpin. This expression is a fantastic example of how English can use imagery from everyday activities, like bowling, to describe complex human dynamics and roles. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase, enriching your English vocabulary and understanding. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together in future videos.